Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar keeps loading. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is to open the task manager, and to open the task manager you're going to need to use your keyboard. Press the Control and Shift key at the same time, then press the ESC key at the same time. You're also pressing on the first two keys. Once you've done that, you're gonna go to this page here. There are many sections: services, details. The one that we need is the processes. Make sure you go to this section and look for Windows Explorer. Make sure you click on it, and then in the bottom right there is a restart. Make sure you click on restart, and once you've done this, the problem is going to be solved. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you think this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.